Hello everyone and welcome back to Jackie's Homeroom. This is a place where writing gets clearer and hopefully a little less stressful. So today we're going to talk about something I saw a lot of when I was translating, and I see a lot of it in academic and professional writing, especially from ESL writers, international students, and multilingual professionals. These are long, unfocused sentences. You know the kind. By the time you reach the period, you're not totally sure how you got there. And if that sounds familiar, don't worry. This is not a problem of intelligence. It's a problem of structure. And structure is something you can learn. So let's look at why long sentences happen. First, most long sentences come from very good intentions. You may have many ideas that you want to get across, and you don't want to leave anything out. You want to sound academic, want to sound professional or sophisticated. And if English is not your first language, you may be translating complex thoughts from another language. And in many other languages, long sentences are normal. Actually, they're even required. But in English, academic writing, clarity is more important than length. A clear sentence is not necessarily a simple sentence, but a focused sentence. So let's look at an example of a long, unfocused sentence. Here goes. Due to the fact that many students who come from international backgrounds often experience various challenges related to language proficiency, academic expectations, and cultural adjustment, it can be argued that universities should consider implementing additional support systems that may help improve student success over time. All right, so now this sentence is not wrong, but it's doing too much at once. By the end of the sentence, the reader is tired and not completely sure what the point is. So what's going wrong? What's the problem here? This sentence has too many ideas, too many abstract phrases, and too many academic fillers. But most importantly, it has no clear action. A strong sentence answers one simple question: who is doing what? If your reader can't answer that easily, the sentence needs help. Now, let's look at the same sentence in a clearer version. Okay, here goes. Many international students face challenges related to language proficiency, academic expectations, and cultural adjustment. Period. To support their success, universities should implement additional support systems. Period. Same idea, two sentences instead of one, and much clearer. Academic writing does not reward you for fitting everything into a single sentence. It rewards you for guiding your readers step by step so they can follow you. Now let's look at another example. It's a very common one. Here goes. The results of the study, which were collected over a period of 3 years and analyzed using several different methodological approaches that are commonly used in similar research fields, show that there's a significant relationship between motivation and academic performance among students. Whew. So this sentence went to the gym and it's carrying too much weight. Here is a revised version. Let's compare. The study collected data over 3 years and used several common research methods. The results show a significant relationship between student motivation and academic performance. Notice what changed? The action comes early, the subject is clear, and the reader can breathe. Shorter sentences are not childish sentences. They are professional and confident and reader-friendly. So here's a simple rule you can follow and start practicing today. One sentence equals one main idea. Consider this. If your sentence has 3 which clauses or 5 commas, or you forgot how it started, it's time to split it. And your writing will become clearer, stronger, and easier to read. If you're an ESL or international writer, please remember this. Your ideas are strong, your thinking is sophisticated, but your goal is not to sound complicated. Your goal is to be understood. We're going to do more of these videos to help you become a better writer. In the next video, we'll review the importance of the subject in a sentence for academic and professional writing. Until then, be kind to yourself and to others, and keep writing. You're going to get this. Bye for now.